Hello dear friends, I had some pork and I want to cook double cooked pork. So turn on the fire and put in water to bring it to a boil. We need a little bit more water. So first we boil the water and put some salt to boil the pork and some pepper. Hello. Pepper, put them all in, and whatever spice you will like. This is not that important. Some other spice, pepper, and yeah. Bay leaf and star anise. Star anise, 1 cinnamon, Sichuan pepper, and ginger. Ginger. You can use up the place that is not so easy to cut. So I will use this odd shape. Ginger, and that is it. And I will also put some horsong berry to bring in some acidity to eat. Horsong berries, 3-4 pieces, doesn't hurt. Okay. We cover it up. We do not need to wait it until it is totally boiling. You can put the meat in right here, right now. Right here, right now, right here, right now, right here. Right now. Okay, 1 piece. Oh, chopstick is not strong enough. 1, 2 pieces. 2. If we can boil them all, I will boil them all. 3. Seems okay. 3, 4, Let's boil them all. 6. Boil them. You do not need to put into super duper strong fire, but relatively you need to have a relatively strong fire. I actually use quite strong fire. And bring it to a boil, and then put the fire slow to cook another 10-20 minutes, and that's it. I will let you know how I cook it. So right now we have nothing to do. We just wait until it is boiling and we turn the fire slow. Okay, see you later. Ooh, we can put some cooking wine. It never goes wrong to put some cooking wine, right? Wine can help us cure the unpleasant flavor of the meat. Okay, nothing else we need to do. Wait. See you later, alligator. Okay, now it is boiling. We turn the fire slow and cook another 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay, I put the fire too slow, just not simmering, not the slowest, and just slow. You know, this kind of gas knob, there is one slow fire and then there is one almost die. You do not need to have it almost die. Just turn to the slow and let it cook. And there is not much flavor right now. This is only use all these ingredients to cure the to kill, K-I-L-L, cure, Q-C-U-R-E, to cure the meat and let it has a little bit less meaty flavor. Okay. 10 minutes later, I will see you. Okay, here we have the meat on this side, and now this is the flavor part. I turn on. I turn on the fire. You can put some cooking oil or not. It's not that important. Why not put some cooking oil? A bit cooking oil and some onion to get the flavor out. Okay, I cut some onion. Use this one. And some ginger. Could be a little bit more of ginger. It doesn't hurt.宝贝儿，我们有红糖吗？有红糖吗？Black sugar. Oh, sorry. It's better you have red sugar. If not, use black sugar is the best. If not, use 没有，我记得我给用 use any sugar. stir fry some sugar. That's a lot of sugar. And soya sauce. It starts to get golden. Take a better look. Take out the meat. I think it's better to cut it up. One more piece. Okay, I will just try these few pieces and see how it works. Some cooking wine. soy sauce. You can put some vinegar if you like. Why not? You will do some vinegar. Chinese 5 spice. Now we use the slowest fire, very, very slow fire. And cook for half an hour, or I will let you know, okay? Maybe you need to put a little bit of more water. It's your choice. Just make sure that make sure the water from the meat is all absorbed out, and then put some water, then the juice of this flavor gets back into the meat. See you later, alligator. Half an hour later, I will see you. Okay, hello dear friends. So this is about it, and it took me around half an hour, around 1 hour to cook it until this. In Chinese, we have a saying, is 收汤. So in the middle of it, I put some more water in it, and let it absorb a little bit more, and use very slow fire, and at the very end I use a stronger fire, so it's becoming so caramel. And it's not easy to cut right now. I leave it aside, and after it cool down a little bit, I will cut it a little bit too cooked. Because I went to the study room, so I forgot it a little bit. If you do it, you can do better by control the right amount of water. Thank you very much. I will stop here and see you when we come back. I mean, I go to swim. See you when it is cooled down. I will show you when I cut it open. Okay, this is it, and it's cooled down, so it's very easy to just use chopstick. It can, I'm using one hand, not easy. Okay, this is it, and it's very soft. Use chopstick, it is open. You can break it, and I use one hand, so it's not easy, but full of flavor. Enjoy. Bon appetito.